Good Lord. Okay guys, look, welcome. Another outhouse. How do you feel about this one? Oh, good Lord. So this is all of my aunt's land. She has about 71 acres. Look at this. Don't really know many people that have this amount of land, you know. Over there is our high school, and we used to kind of cross this little area of trees to get over here to just come over to my grandma's. We're checking out some of these old vehicles that are on here. I guess there's probably nothing in that van, huh, babe?
I wasn't gonna go too close.
Hey, Darren Tosh, we have another van for you. Anything in there?
There's engine parts. Gas tank, radiator. Should I open it for you? Whoa.
Did the door just fall off? Oh God. All right, that's pretty much a no. Oh my gosh, the first raspberry. It's so cool out here. It feels great. I feel total country now right out here in these overalls. Even though I've been wearing these overalls for like 3 months straight. So anyway, my Aunt Marie right now is cutting the grass, or cutting the hay, and we're gonna wait till it dries for about 2 or 3 days. And then we've got to come back and help her bale it, get it into the barn. So we're gonna do some old school chores up in here. Oh man, it feels good under that shade over there. It's very hot out today. I think it's about 92, 93. Hence why I took my shirt off. Oh look, there's the pony. Hello. How are you? How are you, honey? Good. Are you getting back to work out here? All right, Marie, crank her up. Got to get the mask and the gloves. So Marie said we have to open this gate over here and then the gate on top of the hill out there.
Okay.
Hey guys, all about that farm life. So growing up, you'll see this pond here, that pond, and then there was one more, but we used to skate out here. So we put on the old ice skates and just have a blast. Here's an old bathtub. You never know what you'll find out here. The ground is very uneven. The cows, when it's muddy and stuff, they'll step into the ground, and then when it's dry, it remolds like this, so it's really hard to walk. And you also have to watch out for cow patties. Cow surprises. But I think the cows are way up there on that hill past that pond. Wow, that's something else. You gotta get in there. Go experience that field. All right, guys, this is how you bale hay. Or this is how you cut hay. That's where my uncle's arm off. Damn. There she is. And she's gonna do this whole field. And so typically you'd go around, I believe, you'd go around the perimeter and then just keep making circles until you reach the middle, just to kind of have some uniformity. Make sure that you got all of it. Wow. How did you spit with that thing in your mouth? When we were younger, you put this in your mouth? Chew on it like a cow. Speaking of cows, they're right over there. Alright, here we're gonna walk this field here. And this is what freshly cut hay smells like. I wish you could smell it. Thankfully we're not allergic to hay, but look how beautiful a job my aunt did. And so all this hay dries for about 2 or 3 days, and praying for good sun. You gotta time it perfectly, otherwise it could be a bad scenario. And then once this is complete, it'll get moldy. Like if you put the bales of hay into bales, or the hay into bales when it's wet, it'll get moldy, and then your whole thing is ruined. So you gotta make sure it's bone dry. And so these cows are eating good. Look, they're eating all sorts of clover and daisies and wildflowers and purple flowers. Delicious, delicious hay. For these guys right over here. You want some of this hay? How about you? I got some hay for you. Oh, he wants it. Here. Okay, maybe not. They're all running now. Hey, here's some hay. How you doing? Good. Well, this is some of the hazards of cutting hay. This bird had his head chopped off just now. Oh, that's a bummer. So as I said earlier, over there's my high school. Davison High School. And then here was my grandma and grandpa's house. I never met my grandpa, but my aunt and Uncle Bill still live there. So it is so beautiful. Okay, seriously, these peach colored berries were always my favorite growing up, just because they were more unusual than blackberries or red berries. It looks like there's a whole big stem of them here, whole big plant. See if I can get this one. So yeah, it's like peach orange in color. Alright, gotta go get a drink of water. So we're gonna check these batteries on the Jambulance to make sure they're actually working. We got my two uncles out here. The batteries are good?
I don't know if the batteries are good. We just can't determine what date they are and how many crank they are.
About to bale hay.
You have to move the conveyor over to line it up.
Pull the bottom rail there and help them pull it down.
Okay, you got it? Grab it, babe?
What? That's it.
Okay, showtime. Let's go.
And that's how you stack hay. Signing out from the Haw Farm. My camera's getting too dirty, so we're gonna be out here for a while. All right, one wagon down. And this is why they're baling hay, is so cutie pies like this can have a yummy snack. Sweating like a mofo.
In fact, the newer ones will have a ramp they put around it so you don't lose anything.
This is cool. That thing's awesome.
Conveyor, yeah. I'll see that one inside there is the one I fabricated when I was in high school, probably 10 years, like 10th grade. Because at that time everybody was selling, and my dad came home with the pipes and he says, well, let's put this together. So I welded it all together.
A lot of respect to farmers.
Well, carpenters are good too.
We're kind of wimpy, I think, now.
Well,
Well,
no.
at least I am.
Oh, okay.
No,
I
you're
don't-
not.
I don't work with an axe and logs.
Well, you know, that's the old way. You come up with machines and saws and cut your wood the way you want. And you come up with an air hammer versus a hammer. And you do other things. You move forward. But the skill of making the wood look great is still there. That's the important part.
Looking good out there, Marie, looking good. Gotta get a good drink out of the hose.
Drink?
I already had some. Load two, Dad. How many years have you been baling hay?
70 years.
70 years? No way, babe, you found a cat? Oh, get out of here. That thing is so cute. Kitten, baby. You can barely see. Oh, I'm dying. Is that the new van cat? Okay, so we're gonna try to bring this guy to my dad's house and see if one of the mama kitties there will help take care of it because he's abandoned. If he just stays here, he'll die.
Yeah, you will.
Should we go try to feed him, babe?
And that was the last we saw of Julia. Happily ever after.
This is what I spent my whole life doing.
Her dreams are like kittens.